Good morning and welcome back to our channel. Today I will be detailing this particular motorbike. This is Kawasaki Ninja 300 and this particular motorcycle is PPF coated. So this tutorial will be also helpful those who have cars or two-wheelers with a PPF coating. So how to detail a vehicle if it is PPF coated. For this I have selected ceramic coating from Turtle Works and I will give two coats so that the protection remains active for a long time, and already it is monsoon season. So first step will be we'll clean the surface. Now if it is very dirty, I will suggest for a foam wash, but here the case is not so. So I will go for a waterless wash, and after that I will apply the ceramic coating. So this is the product with which we will clean the entire surface. Remember, while you are applying all this, your surface should be absolutely clean. Why we have chosen waterless car wash? Because it can be applied on any surface. Now we'll clean it. তুমি ওই দিকটা করো, আমি এই দিকটা। We have purchased this bike few days back. There is a short video of. Don't think I am going to ride this motorcycle. Because there were a lot of questions how to maintain a PPF coated vehicle. So I was looking to make a video how a PPF coated vehicle is to be maintained. What are the polishes that can be used on those particular vehicles? So this will give you an idea how you can easily maintain a PPF coated car or a two-wheeler, whatever you are having. The surface should be absolutely dry before applying this Turtle Works ceramic coating, so that is also very important. It is raining regularly, so we have stopped all our detailing videos because we don't have a space where we can detail inside a shade.
PPF होने से क्या होता है?
Polypropylene film, a film that a sticker type of substance that is applied on the car body, so you don't get the scratches or minor bruises on your car body.
तुम्हारा कार में कोई PPF नहीं है?
ना कोई कार में
करता है तो सर?
हाँ करता है, वेरी एक्सपेंसिव।
एक PPF करने में क्या लिया? कितना?
I didn't ask. So you see, we have cleaned the entire surface. Now the motorbike is ready for application. We'll use ceramic coating for it. Yes, it's a Japanese brand. Now we'll apply this ceramic coating. For this I have chosen Turtle Works, which is my favorite, and it gives a very long lasting finish, long lasting protection. Normally they say 1 year, but in a harsh climate like India you get at least 3 to 4 months of protection. Now remember, don't apply too much. Immediately spread it on the car or vehicle body. 2 to 3 sprays is more than enough. If you are not sure, better apply it on your cloth.
ओ ये शेक शेक मुझे की देखिएगा इधर हो गया
नहीं, उस तरफ नहीं हुआ, तुम इस तरफ आ जाओ. लेट मी अप्लाई द एंटायर सरफेस फर्स्ट. You spend a lot of money on detailers shops for this type of job, but you can easily get a good finish and good protection at if you do it at home. There is nothing rocket science in it. Remember, you need two type of cloths. One is your for application and another one will be for buffing off.
निंजा में ये कलर बेस्ट
It looks best in this particular green color. Let's move to the other side. I'll apply to every surface. In motorbike it's a bit difficult because there are a lot of creases and lot of small areas which needs to be addressed properly.
इसमें हो गया
रुको सब में लगा रहा है ना. In motorbike it looks small area but it's difficult. You have to apply every nooks and corner.
इसमें हो गया
हाँ, सब में लगा दिया.
पीपीएफ की इधर भी होता है प्लास्टिक में भी होता है
हाँ,
ब्लैक ब्लैक वाला
सब में लगाया. Done na?
इधर की
Now let's take care of the wheels. We will not be applying any tire polish today since it is already raining every day, so the purpose will be defeated. So we are just cleaning the alloys. दो साइड में ही होगा. So we have taken care of the alloy wheels also. So we have completed our job and it can be done by anybody. That is how you detail your PPF coated vehicle and any two-wheeler. Very simple. We have applied ceramic coating and you can easily feel the slickness if I touch it by hand. So if you like the video, please do subscribe because it is your like and subscribes gives us encouragement to make more videos for you. Thank you very much. Goodbye and namaste.